I know you haven't felt well lately. I know that you aren't well. So it makes it harder for me to tell you this. I wish we were close. I wish we were friends. I don't like waking up in the morning, scrambling your eggs with you shouting obscenities in the background at me about things that don't deserve shouting. I understand it's hard for you. I get that. But you forget that I'm a person. I'm not, some worker that you have hired to cook and clean. I am your daughter. I don't feel like I'm your daughter, but I am, I guess. These are the cards we were dealt, Mom. I'm sorry I'm not all that you hoped for, and that this life we live here together isn't glamorous, and that Dad abandoned us when I was born. And you shouldn't make me feel like it's my fault. I didn't even know the guy. I never even met him. And I just want to say that I try, I try to be there for you and do all the things a good daughter is supposed to do for her mother, but you are so rude and I can't take it anymore. Be nice to me. I'm worth enough to be treated nice. Treat me nice before I have an outburst. A real outburst. I'm talking a sumo outburst. Huge! So, treat me nice. Do you want more coffee?